If you buy a beautiful supermarket basil plant only to watch it turn into a wilted mess a week later, this is the right video for you. Today we are going to talk about exactly why this happens and the two simple methods to fix it, starting with a super easy hack that doesn't require any extra pots or dirt at all. Let's turn that $3 supermarket plant into an infinite lifetime supply of fresh basil. When commercial growers package these plants, they want them to look as thick, bushy, and attractive as possible on the shelf, so you'll buy them. To do that, they don't plant one basil seed in this pot. They plant 30, sometimes 40. What you are looking at is a crowded pot where 40 baby basil plants are actively fighting for water, nutrients, and root space. In a pot this small, the soil gets depleted of nutrients in days. The roots choke each other out, and the lack of airflow between the crowded leaves creates the perfect breeding ground for mold and rot. It is a literal death trap. Our first method is the ultimate lazy gardening hack. If you don't have any extra pots or soil lying around right now, this is the perfect route for you, the Sill Clone. Instead of messing with dirty roots, we are just going to save the tops and propagate them in water. Take a sharp pair of scissors and cut the healthiest, thickest stems from the pot. You want to make your cut just above a set of leaves. Once you have your cuttings, strip off the bottom leaves so you're left with a bare stem and a few leaves at the very top. Pop these stems into a glass of clean, room temperature water. Place this glass on a sunny windowsill. Change the water every couple of days to keep it fresh. Within 7 to 10 days, you are going to see a miracle. Brand new, bright white roots will start sprouting directly from the stem. Once those roots are about an inch long, you can plant them into a pot with soil whenever you are ready. You've just turned a dying grocery store plant into entirely new, healthy, free basil plants using nothing but a glass of water. Now, what if your store-bought pot is still looking relatively healthy and you actually do have some spare pots and soil on hand? That brings us to our second method, the Great Split. We are going to physically separate those crowded seedlings so they can breathe. Once they are separated, you'll see just how many individual plants you actually have. You don't need 30 individual pots, just select the strongest 5 or 6 plants. Grab some small pots with good drainage holes, fill them with high-quality loose potting soil, and plant each basil seedling into its own home. Give them a good drink of water, and within a week, they will realize they have room to grow and will absolutely explode. Whether you clone them or split them, the golden rule of basil is simple. They love warm sunlight, they hate cold drafts, and they want their soil kept consistently moist but never soggy. If this video saved your kitchen garden, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment letting me know which method you're going to try, and I'll see you in the next one.